Let's learn today's Chinese character.
蛇
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
蛇诗鹅蛇蛇毒蛇毒蛇毒蛇很危险，毒蛇很危险。蛇皮，蛇皮，这是一张蛇皮，这是一张蛇皮。画蛇添足，画蛇添足，不要做画蛇添足的事。不要做画蛇添足的事。
Okay, let's see how to write this character. The left part refers to reptiles such as snakes. In ancient China, snakes were called longworms and were common creatures at that time. Many ancient legends and myths are related to snakes. It is also one of the 12 Chinese zodiac animals. The snake is one of the ancient Chinese totems, representing vitality and reproduction. Pay attention and write this stroke well. See you next class. Remember to practice more.